Hey wonderful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. Today in Mindful Rise I'm sharing with you 6 tips how to increase your happiness, be more productive and build healthy habits, of course. Do deep work. Have at least 3 hours of undistracted work every day. No social media, no email, no phone. Just staying focused and removing all distractions is key if you want to accomplish more. Follow a good sleep routine. Wake up and go to bed at the same time every day. This will increase your energy levels and build discipline. Also, master delayed gratification. What is that? Work hard now and make short-term sacrifices for your long-term goal and for the future life you want. Too much Netflix? Okay, that will ruin your motivation. Move your body. Work out a minimum of 3 times per week to train your body, but more importantly, to train your mind. Exercising regularly builds discipline, resilience, and increase your energy. Be consistent. How do you do one thing is how you do everything. If you don't give 100% to your workouts, you're not going to give 100% to your business, love, something else. Treat everything with excellence and see how your life changes. And practice gratitude. Gratitude is currency. Take the time to give thanks every day and use gratitude to find more contentment with your existence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. Leave a comment below. Let's continue our conversation and see you tomorrow in next episode.